Hey there, Incappers. In today's episode, we're going to talk about commercial carpet and how to optimize commercial carpet with a good commercial carpet cleaning program. Stay tuned to find out more. So let's do a deep dive in how we can extend the life of commercial carpet. In other words, how are we going to get the best, longest life with the optimal appearance out of commercial carpet? Well, quite simply, we need a good commercial carpet cleaning program. So to start with, let's focus on dry soil. It's a fact that dry soil in commercial carpet is around 85% of the soil load. Now that's something that's been published for many years. Shaw Industries has that in print. Shaw is one of the largest manufacturers of commercial carpet. So 85% of the soil in carpet is dry soil. And you'd think, well, that's easy, we'll just vacuum it up. The problem with commercial carpet is that the pile is very dense. And so soil that gets worked down into the bottom underneath those tufts of pile can really load up in the backing, and it's next to impossible to get that out once we have a contaminated backing of the carpet. Which brings us to the point of having a good vacuuming program in place with good commercial vacuums on a regular basis so that we don't allow the backing to get loaded with soil. Also, good walk-off mats coming into the building will do a lot to prevent soil from entering the building so that we don't get in the carpet and have to deal with it with vacuuming. Let's face it, once it's in the carpet, it's hard to get it out. So staying on top of your dry soil, maintaining the carpets well, a good vacuuming program can't be overstated. Again, 85% of the soil in the carpet is dry soil. That brings us to the 15%, the part that the carpet cleaner is there to address. Well, 15% is a smaller number than 85, so if we can keep the dry soil under control, we can maintain the smaller number, the 15%, pretty reasonably with a good maintenance program. So let's start by talking about encapsulation. The encapsulation carpet cleaning mode is perfect for commercial carpet. It helps us maintain a commercial carpet's appearance for an extended period, and when we're working with a product that dries down brittle, that has a good polymer package, for example, like the Release It product line, you're going to find that the carpets are actually going to stay cleaner longer and resist resoiling, and that's a huge benefit. So putting together a maintenance program where we've got the good vacuuming and we're coupling that with routine encapsulation cleaning, we're going to be able to extend the commercial carpet's life almost indefinitely. And that is so important. Now, I did some research on the 2025 prices for commercial carpet installed, and I was surprised by the price. For good quality commercial carpet installed, we're looking at the $7 to $8 per square foot range. So that covers installing good quality commercial carpet, $7 to $8 a square foot. So if we take $7 a foot in a moderate average sized office, for example, 3,000 square foot, you're looking at $21,000 at $7 a foot, $21,000. Now, would you want to spend $21,000 or maintain the carpet and avoid that expense? And keep in mind, the replacement cost of carpet is not the full expense. We still have to dispose of the old carpet, which you've got the environmental load of that, bringing in new product, disposing of old product. You also have to take the building out of commission. You've got to remove the furnishings so that you can get to the carpet. In other words, it's a nightmare. Wouldn't it be more practical to maintain the carpet and avoid replacement? So in other words, every year that we can extend the life of the carpet, exponentially we're saving thousands and thousands of dollars, big picture, when we can keep that carpet on the ground, keep it looking good. And then there's also the aesthetic aspect. Clean carpet looks good, it enhances the business, it improves the morale of the employees that work there. We can't overstate the benefits of clean carpet. Now keep in mind, again, when we're thinking about commercial maintenance of carpet, carpet can hide its face weight in soil. So in other words, 16 ounce per square yard carpet can hide 16 ounces of soil before you even see it. So by the time it looks dirty, it's real dirty. Again, going back to what we talked about earlier, if we let that carpet load up with soil, it's very difficult to unload that soil. So staying in front of it, keeping the carpet clean will go so far in keeping that carpet clean over the long haul, extending its life. That brings serious value to your customers. So when you're working with customers and you're talking about the cost and the variables that go into deciding whether or not to have you maintain their carpet, throw them the numbers. Help them see what you're actually saving them and how you're improving the quality of their business. So if we're cleaning at 15 cents a square foot, that 3,000 square foot building that we talked about earlier would cost $450. 20 cents a square foot, $600. Not a lot of money compared to the $21,000 replacement cost and the unbearable burden of trying to unload the building and take the building off the grid while the carpet's replaced. Bring that point to your customers. Help them see how inexpensive it is to keep their carpets in pristine condition and how they're going to enjoy working in a clean environment, what it's going to do for their business. So hopefully these ideas will help you as you work with your customers to see the value of a good commercial carpet cleaning program. We're here to help you. Our endeavor is fully commercial carpet cleaning. I've been cleaning commercial carpet since the early 80s, and Excellent Supply has been here since the early 2000s. So we know commercial carpet. And that's why we say here at Excellent Supply that we're here to help you max your end cap. So reach out to us if you have questions, if there's anything we can do to help you succeed in your business. Thank you for watching this episode. Give us a thumbs up if you would, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions or comments, please add it in the comment section below. Until next time, thanks for watching NCAP TV.